are braver than you seem, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Good morning, respected principal, esteemed teacher, and my wonderful fellow students. It gives me immense pleasure to stand before you today and warmly welcome our new batch of college. Stepping onto a college campus marks the beginning of a transformative chapter in your life. You have worked incredibly hard to be here, and you should be so proud of what you have already achieved. New doors open, new dreams rises, a shining under open skies. College is so much more than just the textbooks and lectures. It is a safe step to step out of your comfort zone. Discover your passion and build lifelong friendships. As a young girl, you are entering an environment designed to help you. Amplify your voices, hone your leading, shape skills, and grow confidently. Step in with hope, leave fear behind. A brighter future you are sure to find. So I want to say, to the new birds, do not let nerves overshadow your excitement. Embrace every opportunity, ask questions, and lift each other up. We are here to support you in every step of the way. Once again, a massive welcome